Today we start the consistency of a linear equation. Consistency of a linear equation. Okay, we know that the we know that our linear equation is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is our pair of linear equation. Last class we studied about the ratio of their coefficient a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 and a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. First case a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Last class we studied a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. The line is a graphical representation is intersecting lines. Okay, clear? Then it has exactly one solution. It has exactly one solution. That means it is consistent, right? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. It has exactly one solution or unique solution. It is consistent. Then second case a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. The lines the graphical representation is coincident lines. It has infinitively many solution. It is also consistent. This is the pair of linear equation as a infinitely many solution. It is also consistent. Third case a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, not equal to c1 by c2. That means it is a parallel lines, it has no solution, therefore it is inconsistent. The solution is its consistency is inconsistent. It has no solution, that means it is inconsistent. Clear? Our linear equation comparing the ratio of our coefficient of a linear equation a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. It is consistent. It has unique solution. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, consistent, it has a infinitively many solution. Then A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, that is not equal to C1 by C2, the lines are parallel, it has no solution, that means inconsistent, right. Take your textbook, take exercise 3.1, that is page 44 in your textbook, and read the first question. Read the first question. After telling his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were. You were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be there 3 times as old as you will be. This is the question. After telling his daughter 7 years ago, that is before 7 years, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Algebraically, first to perform the or prepare the algebraic equations, then draw the graph. Clear? Read the questions once more. Aftab tell his daughter 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically. Then we know that how to form a linear equations 7 years ago. That means we consider that let the present age of father, that is Aftab, present age of father Aftab is x. Take present age of Aftab is x years, and the present age of his daughter is y years. Present age of Aftab is x year and his daughter is y years. Then what is according to our question, 7 years ago, that is 7 years ago, what is his father's age? Aftab age is x minus 7. And 7 years ago, his daughter's age, that is his daughter's age these are y minus 7. Clear? Before 7 years, his age is x minus 7, his daughter's age is y minus 7. According to our question, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. X Aftab is equal to, that is our first addition, x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. X minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. That is our equation is x minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 7 into 7, 49. Then that is equal to x minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7, that is a minus 42. Minus 42. Minus 42. This is our first equation. X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Clear? Right? The present age of Abdav is x years and his daughter is y years. We take we suppose that it is x years and y years. Aftab age is after 7 years x minus 7 and his daughter is also y minus 7. According to our question, 7 years ago it is x minus 7 and y minus 7. Then our question given data, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. That means x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. Open the bracket, 7y minus 49. That is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Clear? That is our first equation. Then second situation, also 3 years from now, that is after 3 years, also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. That is given, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. That is 3 years now, what is the age? According to 3 years from now. From now, Aftab age is x plus 3 and his daughter's age is y plus 3. According to our question, okay, black okay, okay, that is 3 years from now is our daughter's age be there y plus 3. Then according to our question, 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you. That is 3 years from now. That is x plus 3 is equal to 3 into y plus 3. This color is enough. That is x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Open the bracket. X plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. Rearrange. That is x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. X minus 3y is equal to 6. This is our second situation. Linear equation. Clear? X plus 3 is equal to x minus 3y is equal to 6 and first equation is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Clear? Then represent this situation graphically. The next duty, represent this equation graphically. Take a graph book. Write the first. All of you take a graph book. The first equation is a first equation x minus 7y is equal to minus 42, and using this linear equation make the coordinates, then x, y. What is y? Y is equal to minus 7y is equal to minus 42 minus x, minus 42, that is y is equal to minus 42 minus x divided by minus 7, taking minus common, that is 42 plus x, 42 plus x divided by 7, 42 plus x divided by 7. Then put x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0, what is y? 42 divided by 7, that is equal to 42 divided by 7, that is 6. Then x is equal to next, x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7, 42 plus 7, 42 plus 7 is a 49, that is a 7. Then one more, put x is equal to minus 7, put x is equal to minus 7, that is 42 minus 7 is a 35, 35 by 7 is a 5. Minus 7, this is a 5. Okay, right? First you form the coordinate of the first equation, that is x is equal to 0, y equal to 6, x is equal to 7, y equal to 7, x is equal to minus 7, y equal to 5. Then next second equation, x minus 3y is equal to 6, x minus 3y is equal to 6. Then form the coordinate, x minus 3y is equal to x, y, x minus 3y is equal to 6. What is minus 3y is equal to? That means minus 3y is equal to 6 minus x, y equal to 6 minus x divided by minus 3, or it is x minus 6 divided by 3, x minus 6 divided by 3. Clear? Second equation, x minus 3y is equal to 6 is equal to x, y, minus 3y is equal to 6 minus x, y equal to 6 minus x divided by minus 3, that is equal to x minus 6 by 3. Then here also put x is equal to 0. What is minus 6 by 3 is a minus 2. Then put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3, that is equal to 3 minus 6 is a minus 3 divided by, that is minus 1. Then put x is equal to 6. What is the answer? Or put x is equal to 9. Put x is equal to 6. Put x is equal to 6. That is 6 minus 6 divided by 3. That is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 divided by 3. Okay. We can form the coordinates using suitable x coordinate. X values. Put the value of x. Okay. Then next, draw the graph. Okay, all of you take a graph book, draw the graph. The coordinate. Zero, 1, 2, 0, take 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. Then put x, x dash, y, y dash. Okay, draw the graph like this. Put x is equal to 0, y equal to 6. This is our first point. X is equal to 0, y equal to 6. Plot the point. X is equal to 7, y equal to 7. X is equal to 7, y equal to 7. This is the point. X is equal to 7, y equal to 7. This is 7, 7. Okay. Then next, x is equal to minus 7, y equal to 5. X is equal to minus 7, y equal to 5. Minus 7, that is y equal to 5. Okay, draw the graph. The next one, x minus 3y is equal to 6. Draw the graph of x minus 3y is equal to 6. Then put x is equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. X is equal to 0, y equal to, this is the first point, x is equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. Then x is equal to 3, y equal to minus 1. X is equal to 3, y equal to minus 1. Then x is equal to 6, y equal to 0. Sorry, first point is wrong. 0, x is equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. Sorry, x is equal to 0, y equal to minus 2. Second one, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, y equal to minus 1. This point, x is equal to 3. The next one, x is equal to 6, y equal to 0. X is equal to 6, y equal to 0. This is the point. Draw the graph. Okay, this is the graphical representation. It will meet at x is equal to 42, y equal to 12. This is the intersecting point. Intersecting point. The intersecting point is a, check your graph. Its intersecting point is a x is equal to 42, y equal to 12. Here there is a limitation of space, so we cannot get the intersecting point. Its intersecting point is 42, 12. The graphical representation, the 42, 12. Clear? The intersecting point is 42, 12. Your answer is 42, 12. Clear? Draw the graph. All of you. Okay, we pass on the next question. We can prepare the equation, the graphical representation or geometrical representation as a homework. Now we can prepare the equation. Okay, that is enough. The geometrical representation is as a homework. Read the question. Second question. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. 3,900. 3 bats and 6 balls for 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Two situations. First situation, 3 bats and 6 balls cost rupees 3,900. Second situation is 1 bat and 3 more balls, that is 3 balls. 1 bat, a bat and 3 more balls for the same kind is 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically. Clear? Okay, right, form the linear equation. Let the cost of a bat is x. Cost of the bat is let cost of a bat is x rupees x, and cost of a ball is rupees y. We suppose that the cost of one bat is x rupees and cost of one ball is y rupees. Clear? Then that means 3 bat and 6 balls cost, according to our question, 3 bats and 6 balls cost rupees 3,900. 3 bat, that is 3x, 3 into x, plus 6 balls, 6 into y is equal to 3,900. That is the first situation. According to our question, 3 bats and 6 balls cost rupees 3,900. Second situation is 1 bat and 3 balls. That is 1 bat, that is x plus 3y is equal to x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. X plus 3y is equal to, this is our second equation. Then first equation, simplify, divided throughout by 3. That is x plus 2y is equal to 1, 3, 0, 0. This is our first equation. And second equation is x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. First one, x plus 2y is equal to 1,300. Second one, x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. Same situation, same cost 3 more. Okay. Geometrical. Yeah. Clear? Draw the graph. That is a homework for you. You should complete the homework Monday. Then pass on the next question, third question. Read the question. The cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. The cost of 2 apple. Okay, you can prepare the algebraic equation. Suppose Parthi, Pratish, what happened? If any doubt, Pratish, any doubt? Okay, let 2 kg of apples, let cost of apple, cost of 1 kg apple is equal to x. The cost of 1 kg of apple 1 kg cost of 1 kg of apple is x. apple is X. And 1 kg of grapes, 1 kg of grapes is a Y. 1 kg of grapes is a Y. Okay. First one, the cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on the day was found to be rupees 160. That means according to our question, 2x, first situation, 2x plus y is equal to 160. That is our first situation. 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. That means 2 into x, 1 kg of apple rupees x and 1 kg of grapes is rupees y. That is 2x plus y is equal to 160. Clear? Then another month, the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes. That is what happened, Jamie? Jamie? After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. That is 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. This is the second situation, and we can simplify this second equation divided throughout by 2. This is 2x plus y is equal to 150. Second situation. This is the algebraic expression. Draw the graph of this situation. That is also homework. First situation, 2x plus y equal to 160. Second situation, 2x plus y is equal to 150. Then the graph is a homework. Okay.